So hi and welcome all. Today we have our first episode guest, Mr. Rassi Peterse, uh, South African international hockey player and Olympian. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi Sam, great to see you. I'm all good, and yourself?
Okay, so I'm good also. How's the thing going in South Africa there?
Yeah, we've been in a lockdown now for the last 25 days. I think that today's day 26, and we still got another 9 days to go. But I believe there is a briefing tonight that our president will talk to the country. So maybe there's going to be extension. We're not too sure. So it's been quite, I think, from an economical point of view, quite stressful. From a health point of view, quite stressful. But I think South Africa has been managing it quite well. If you look at
Yeah.
other countries out there and how the virus has affected everybody. So yes, of course, it's affected all of us. Our daily livelihood has changed completely. We're not allowed to go out of our yards. We're only allowed to go to the supermarkets to buy food, and that's it. So yes, yeah. So a lot of things has changed very, very quickly in our lives, especially for sportsmen.
Yeah, same concern here in India also. So how are you doing your training by the way without this in home?
Yeah, I mean it's not like normal hockey training as usual, but
Yeah.
we're going to make sure that we try to maintain a kind of level of fitness. So our fitness trainer of our national team is still sending us every week some training exercises that we have to do at home. So I've got a bit of space here at home. We got a bit of a home gym going that we try to keep a kind of balance of fitness. So when everything is over, that we get back and it's not like starting over completely, but actually just try to get back into our gears when it's time to go back into the hockey field.
Yeah, and the Olympics also postponed to 2021 in Tokyo.
Yes, of course. That's quite sad for I think a lot of athletes out there that the Olympics has been postponed. But of course, it's a good reason. I think it's definitely the right decision that's been made by the IOC. And luckily, the Olympics hasn't been cancelled. It's just been postponed to next year.
Yeah.
So now we just need to refocus and start preparing and making sure that we peak next year this time.
Okay, so you're with me today so that we can ask you 10 questions, and the five first questions will be based upon the match you are part of, and the rest five will be based upon hockey only. Okay, so 10 questions each carry 1 point. Shall we start?
Sure.
Yep. So the first question is how many matches you have played till now in international hockey for
I
South
think
Africa?
Sam, I think I'm on 162 to be honest.
No, it's 161 actually. Just
Oh,
12.
no.
Okay, no issue. Okay.
Well, depends who's out, E or FIH. That's a very
Yeah.
good question.
So as you know, 2018 Hockey World Cup was played in India, Bhubaneswar only. So can you tell me which three teams you played with?
We played the opening match against India. That was a great experience. And then we played against Canada, and then we played against Belgium.
Yeah, right. So the third question is little tough. So the match you played against Canada, it was draw 1-1. Okay, so can you name me the goal scorers of the match? Of for South Africa only.
Geez, let me quickly think here. I remember we had a lot of short corners, but we didn't score short corner in that match. Sure, let me think. Uh, now that is a very, very good question. Um, I'm going to go with a guesstimate that I would say Nick Spooner.
No. Another two guess I can give you. You can guess.
Two more guesses.
Yeah, okay.
Oof, yeah, let me just think. Billy Ntuli?
Yeah, it's absolutely
There you
correct.
go. Yeah. I got a bit confused between two games. Nick Spooner scored that cracker at Bhubaneswar at World Series against USA
Yeah.
in the semi-finals.
Okay. So my fourth question is the 2014 World Cup was played in The Hague, Netherlands.
That's
You
correct.
defeated Malaysia. Can you tell me the scoreline?
Yes, I think we played quite well in that last game, and I think it was something like could have been 6-1,
Yeah, you are just near. It's 6-2.
6-2. That's correct.
Yeah, you have considered two. Okay, so my fifth question is you played for Delhi Wave Riders in 2015 Hockey India League. At what position did Delhi finish in that season?
Excuse me, just repeat the question.
You played for Delhi Wave Riders in 2015.
Yes.
In that season, Delhi finished at which position?
We won the bronze medal.
Yep, absolutely correct. Okay. As you know, 2017, 18 and 19 FIH's Best Male Goalkeeper award was won by Vincent Van As of Belgium. So 2015 and 16 was won by whom?
I would say Davy Hart.
Yeah, you're correct. So just one wrong answer till now. Good going, mate. Okay, so in which year did first Hockey World Cup was played?
And which
This
year
is
was the
tough one.
first Hockey World Cup? Gee whiz. This is going to be a proper guess.
I can give you three chances.
1966?
No, it's close. It's 1971.
Okay, it's 4 years out. 5 years out.
Can you tell me where's the next Hockey World Cup will be played, like the venue?
India.
The stadium names?
The stadium names, I'm sure it will be in Bhubaneswar, and the other destination was, why do I think it was Bengaluru?
It's in no. It's in Odisha only.
Only in Odisha, yeah. So it will be the stadium where we played the World Cup and World Series. I can't give you the other stadium, to be honest.
Okay, the one is Bhubaneswar Kalinga Stadium and another one is Raulkela, Biju Patnaik Stadium. Okay. It's a new built one.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I haven't
thought that far yet, to be honest, mate.
Yeah. So, can you tell me 2016 Rio Olympics winner of male hockey gold medal?
It was Argentina. Argentina.
Yep. So, my last question. As you know that there are two groups in Tokyo Olympics, Group A and Group B. And South Africa is placed in Group B. Can you name me other 5 countries who are there rather than South Africa in that group? Who you have to play with?
Yeah, it's Great Britain, Germany, Holland, and Canada.
Another one?
Who did I miss? Could it be Belgium?
Yep, it's Belgium. Absolutely correct, mate.
Yeah.
So you are 8 correct out of 10. That's a good.
I'll take that 80%.
It's okay. It was a good interview with you. Short interview, kind of. To all people out here, your fan can see this video also. So, can you tell any message to your fans here in India, here in South Africa, and all of the world?
Yes, of course. I think it's tough times for everybody all around the world. You know, it doesn't matter if we're in South Africa or if we're in India. My message to everybody is just to stay safe, stay healthy. Make sure you look after your loved ones. Listen to the authorities. You know, the people are out there. The government is doing a lot of research to see what is the best way to be the safest and to get over this pandemic. We know it's a tough time for everybody economically wise. We can't play sport. You probably can't see a lot of your family members, and a lot of people are really sick out there. So we really need to think about these people. But stay positive. You know, and hopefully when all of this is over, that we'll see some great hockey games again. So yeah, to everybody out there, we're on the same boat. Let's ride this wave together and stay positive.
Yep, great words by you. So we can wind up now, okay? And you can say to subscribe my new channel as you are my first guest also.
Yeah, Sam, it's thanks a lot for the interview. I think you're a very special man. I met you in Bhubaneswar at the World Cup. I think you're a very, very passionate sports lover, not just hockey. I've been following you to see how much you love cricket and other sports out there. And I'm sure you probably hold the record for the person that's collected the most jerseys all around the world. So, yes, it's fans like that we need in sports. So, I just want to thank you, and it's great to be on your show.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to have you also. And one more thing. I just heard that you were playing cricket in your old days. Is that true?
Yes, I played at school. I played a lot of cricket and I played a lot of rugby at school. So
you are following also Manjaship Super League also.
Excuse me?
You are also following MSL.
Yes, yeah. So yes, I'm a big cricket lover. I'll be very fortunate to see some IPL cricket games in 2015. So yes, cricket is very close to my heart.
Okay, sir. So thank you. It was my pleasure to have you on the show. See you soon in Bhubaneswar, sir. Thank you a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Thanks a lot.